How to trade option in Robinhood app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trade option in Robinhood app. So in order to begin with the procedure, first thing first, you'll have to log into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. Now here, right over here, you need to look for the stock that you wish to trade with. So type in the stock and after that, you'll be able to find the information. If you are sure about trading with the following information, then click the trade option button located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Next page, you need to go through all of the information, and here you need to select either you want to buy or sell or call or put. So select it accordingly and then select the price or the amount accordingly. After you're done selecting the options, in order to view the order, you need to go ahead and select the plus icon or trade option located in the right hand side corner. So as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see information something like this. So click on review order and then you'll be notified that you successfully trade. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.